Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Lehman's 2013 Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. This is a nice one, and it's a rare one. I think they call this color Patriot Blue, dark blue. It's a nice unit. Doesn't smell like smoke. Wheels are in great shape. Paint's in great shape. Got the three-piece hard top. It's got a soft top inside, so it's dual topped with navigation, power windows, power door locks, four-wheel drive, of course, air conditioning. You just can't find much nicer of a Wrangler than this, especially in a 13. That's 60 some odd thousand miles on it. Tires aren't new, but they're in decent shape. Spare looks like it's brand new, probably never been on the ground. It's got a factory hitch on it. If it's been off-road, it may have been just in the yard to wash it off or something, but here's an example. Here's the right rear tire on it, wheel. They're in pretty good shape. Here's the right front. I'll give you an idea. That's how deep it is. If I'm gonna really get critical on the car, it's got some bug stains on the fender. Just ever some little ones. Same way here. Sorry about the water. It was just pouring down rain just a little bit ago. Let me show you more about it. Looking inside of the back, it's going to be tough, but I'm going to try. So a full set of floor mats. Here's the top. Got a soft top in it and the framework all's in it. Factory subwoofers off to the side. Back seats are laid down. Like I said, it's a nice unit. In the rear door, again, you can't see a whole lot. Looking at the front seat, they're cloth. It's in great shape. Like I said, doesn't smell like smoke. Looking at the radio, it's got the navigation. It's got satellite radio on it. Air conditioning. Got heated seats. Mirrors, four-wheel drive, of course, automatic. Got 67,000 miles on it with cruise control. This is for the menu. It's got steering wheel controls on the back. Call me on this one. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Lehman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you. Even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.